Good morning students. Today we will discuss the solutions of our worksheet 1, assignment 17 and assignment 18. So let's have a look that what are the solutions. So if you people have done, you can cross check your answers with which I am sharing, and probably you may have doubt in some of the question. So we will discuss that also. And the questions I have given in worksheet are very easy. First of all, some important points were there which you have to note it down in your notebook. After that, question number 1 was that find the complement of each of the following angles. In exercise 5.1 also, we have done questions related to finding complement of the given angles. So how we do? Let the complement be x, and 30 plus x is equal to 90 degree. And then in this way we have find out. So here I will not write the complete method. Here I will only mention the answer. And method you will consult with the exercise question. Okay. In exercise I have done complete solutions of each and every question. So for complete solution you will refer the exercise. I am only sharing here you the answers of all these questions. So the complement of 30 degree is 60 degree, 90 minus 30. Similarly, the complement of 46 degree, that will be 44 degree, 90 minus 46. Similarly, coming to question number 2, find the supplement. Now for supplement, the sum should be 180 degree. So now we will subtract from 180 degree. For 110 degree, the supplement will be 70 degree, and for 75 degree, the supplement will be 105 degree. I have subtracted the given numbers from 180, and these are only the answers. You can match your answers. And method, please refer to your exercise solutions. Complete solution you have to write. Now third is, identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. If I will look at the first one, 75 plus 105, that is 180, which implies that they are supplementary. Okay, in this way you have to do this question. Similarly, B part, 120 plus 60 again is equal to 180 degree, same, supplementary. Now for C part, 70 degree plus 20 degree is equal to 90 degree, which means they are complementary. Okay, now coming to our D part, 130 plus 50, again it's 180, so this is supplementary. Now for E part, 45 plus 45, again it's 90, so this is complementary. Okay, so in this way, by adding you can check whether the given pairs are complementary or supplementary. So this is the solution of worksheet 1. Now we will discuss the solution of assignment 17. Okay, now coming to our assignment 17, the question number 1 is, find the angle which is complement of itself. This question is exactly same as given in your exercise 5.1. So 45 degree is the angle which is equal to its complement. Complete solution you can again refer to exercise 5.1. Now question number 2 is, if one of the angle formed by a linear pair, supposingly this is the linear pair, okay, and if one angle is acute, if one of the angle formed by linear pair is acute, what is the kind of other angle? So what kind of this is obtuse. Simply we can write that it will be obtuse angle. You can write complete solution, obtuse angle. How you can write the complete answer? From the question you will take the line that if one of the angle formed by linear pair is acute, then another kind of angle formed is obtuse, and you can draw this diagram also. Okay, draw this diagram for the explanation of your answer. Now coming to question number 3. In third, PQ and RS, diagram is made like this. This is PQ and then RS. So PQ and RS intersect at point O in the figure given above. Find the value of A, B and C. Now here is one more division. This is A, this is 2C, this is B, this one is 4B and this will be 75 degree. Okay, now we have to find out the value of A, B and C. So from this, first of all, look at like RS and PQ are intersecting. This is PQ and this is RS. Just look at it that these two are intersecting. Then what are the pair of vertically opposite angle? 4B is vertically opposite to A. A is equal to 4B. Reason? Vertically opposite angle. Okay. Similarly, 2C is equal to B plus 75. This 2C is equal to B plus 75 degree. Reason? Vertically opposite angle. Okay. So these are the pair of vertically opposite angle. Now, which angle we can find first? Now first of all, look at the RS is a line. Okay. Here is also B. This is also 4B and this is 75 degree. So they all are lying on a line. These three angles, B, 75 and 4B. So these three will form a linear pair. Okay, so how we can write it? B plus 75 degree plus 4B is equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. Okay, so 5B is plus 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. 5B is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree, that is 105 degree. So B is equal to 105 degree divided by 5. B is equal to 21 degree. Okay. Now we have known the value of B. So we can find A also. A is equal to 4 into B, means 4 into 21 degree, which is equal to 84 degree. Therefore, A is equal to 84 degree. Similarly, for finding the value of C, 2C is equal to B plus 75 degree, means 21 plus 75 degree, which is equal to 96 degree. Okay. Now C is equal to 96 degree divided by 2. So C is equal to 48 degree. So in this way we have find out the value of A, B and C. What are the different properties we have used? Vertically opposite angle, then linear pair. With the help of linear pair only we can find out angle B, and with the help of angle B only we can find out A and C. Similarly, now coming to your question number 4, find the complement of each of the following. Okay, so first, second you must have written. So let's do question number 3rd. Again we have to find out the complement. So question number 4th we are doing. 4th is find the angle which is 2/3 of its supplement. So let the angle be x. Okay. Now 2/3 of its what will be its supplement? What is given? Find the angles which is 2/3 of its supplement. Let the angle be x. Therefore, supplement will be 180 degree minus x. Okay. If angle is x, then supplement will be 180 degree minus x. Now what is the condition? The angle is 2/3 of its supplement. ठीक है, उसके supplement का 2/3 है जो एंगल है. Now we will simplify it. 2 by 3 when I will open the bracket into 180 degree minus 2 by 3 into x. Okay. Now this is x and here is also x. So when you have solved simple equations, so you know that I can shift this on left hand side, x plus 2 by 3 x. Now this can be simplified. This is coming 120 degree. So when I will take LCM, okay, so this is coming 3x plus 2x is equal to 120 degree. 5x upon 3 is equal to 120 degree. So x is equal to, this 3 is in divide, which will go in multiply, and 5 will come in divide. Okay. So when you will solve it, so x is equal to 72 degree. In this way you can find out the answer. So, or another way what we can do, if the angle is x and supplement is 2 by 3rd of x. Okay. So x is the angle, supplement is 2 by 3 of x. When we will add both these, then the answer should come 180 degree. So I think this is the better way, because in the question it is given, find the angle which is 2 by 3rd of its supplement. So supplement is this, angle is this, 2 by 3rd of supplement. It's very easy to solve equation if you are able to convert the given statement in the form of mathematical expression. 2 by 3rd of supplement. Angle is means equal. Angle is x. 2 by 3rd of its supplement. So now simply by using simple equations we can solve this. Now for question number 5. Question number 5 is also again the same. Find the supplement of the following, in each of the following. Supplement हमें ढूंढना है. So for 5th question, first part 30 degree, that will be 150 degree. Okay, 180 में से 30 को minus कर दीजिए. Then second one is 79 degree, it will be 101 degree. Third one is 179 degree. So the supplement will be 1 degree. Next is x degree. So the supplement will be 180 minus x. Okay. Then next is of the right angle. Supplement of the right angle. What is the supplement of the right angle? That is 90 degree. 180 minus 90 degree. So in this way you can do these questions. Okay, this is 5th part. Now coming to our 6th question. In question number 6, they are saying that if the angles 4x plus 4 degree and 3x minus 4 degree are complementary angles. They are complementary angles means their sum should be equal to 90 degree. Reason, complementary angles. Why I have taken 90? Because they are complementary angles. So now we have to find the value of x. So let's add it. When I will open the bracket, 4x plus 4 plus 6x minus 4 is equal to 90 degree. Now this plus 4 and minus 4 can be cancelled out. Okay. Then 4x plus 6x, 10x is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 upon 10. X is equal to 9 degree. Okay. So this is your answer for question number 6. So in this way we have completed the solutions of assignment 17. And now the next topic we will discuss in our next class. By that time you can check all your solutions of worksheet 1 also and assignment 17 also, and whatever next assignment I will give you, say in the same way I will share you the solutions at the end, so that first you have to try it by yourself and then you can check your solutions. Okay students, thank you for today's class.